welcome to the class. In today's session, we are going to see the third lesson in your science subject, parts of a plant. You all know the plant is a living thing. The plant is a living thing. You can also grow some plants and see what are all the things happening when the plant is growing. Okay. So now we are going to see the main function of the plant, which is the structure and function of roots. Okay. Can you all able to see this plant? What is a plant? So there are many different parts of the plant that grows above the soil, which are flowers, leaves, fruit and stem. Okay, so these are all the parts of the plant which grows above the soil. So under the soil, which is we have roots. So at the end of this module, we can able to identify the two different types of roots and various functions of roots. So there are two different types of roots. But first one is taproot and the second one is fibrous root. So these type of root is called taproot. Okay. So which is look like a branches of a tree. Can you able to see the carrot is growing under the soil? Yes, which have the roots. Similarly, see these two plants. Can you able to see the difference? There is a one main root and the smaller roots are growing by the side. But in fibrous root, there are cluster of roots. You can see the cluster of roots. There is not only a single main root. So many roots are growing under the soil, which is a fibrous root. Okay. So this type of clusterous root is called fibrous root. So the example of fibrous root is onion, grass and all. So see, roots are very important for plants. Can you able to see this boy is pulling out the plant from the soil? No, he can't because of the roots. The root are fixed firmly in the soil and the plant absorb water, which is useful substance from the soil. Okay, so this boy is digging the hole in the ground. Can you able to see the roots of a plant, grass plant, which is a fibrous plant? After a few days, he came and see the plant. What did happen? The roots become rotten. So root absorb water and minerals from the soil. So if it does not get the right amount of minerals, the plant will get rotten. The roots help to store the extra food made by the plant. So these are the functions of the root. So first one is taproot and another one is fibrous root.
So next we are going to see the stem part. It holds the plant straight. So some plants like this may have thick, hard and woody stem, and this plant have soft and weak stems. Can you able to see this? And this type of stem is also. And can you able to see this stem? This is a tulsi plant and this stem is also soft and. Now I take out the plant from the soil. Can you able to see the root now? Which is absorb the water from the soil. Water from the soil and make the food for plants. Now can you able to see the leaves and plants?
So now we are going to see about leaf. The third main part of the plant, leaf. The leaf is the food factory or the kitchen of the plant. Why do we say like that? Because the leaf makes food for the plant with the help of water, air, sunlight and also chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a substance which gives green color to the leaves. The leaf is all green in color, no? So, which is because of the chlorophyll present in it. So, this process is called as photosynthesis. What is the process? Which is called as photosynthesis. So, the main factor which is for the growth of the plant, the food which is used for the growth of the plant. The leaf is a thing which is prepare the food for the plant. Can you able to see this leaf? which is a mint leaf. The flat, broad part of the leaf is called as lamina. So this is lamina, which is the flat and broad part of the leaf. So can you able to see the fine network tubes run through the lamina, which is called as veins. We have veins in our body. Similarly, plants is also having veins in their leaves. And also the central part of the leaves, can you see able to see the central part? One main vein run through the middle of the leaf, which is called as midrib. So the veins carry the water to the leaves. The small veins carry the water to the leaves. They also carry the food prepared by the leaves. The leaf has small holes in it. So what is that holes called as? Yes, stomata. The air enters and leaves through the stomata. So the leaf breathes through the stomata. Okay. You can see the flowers, fruits and seeds. So most of the flowers grow into fruits. You can see the lot of the plants which bloom flowers and turned into fruits. So most fruits have seeds in them. Some fruits have one seed and some fruits have more than one seed. So fruit protect the seeds. Most plants grow as a plant from the seeds. So they have baby plants in them. So seed is the thing which can reproduce into another plant. So it gets enough air, water and sunlight. The baby plant will also start grow into a new plant. Now let us recall what are all the parts of plant. First one, roots. As we see, there are two types of root, the tap root and the fibrous root. And the second one is stem. You all lively see the thick part of the stem, which is trunk, and soft and weak part of the stem also. And the third one is leaf. The leaf contains lamina, veins and midrib. Lamina is a flat, broad part, and the vein is network of fine tubes, and the midrib is main vein running through the middle of lamina. Okay. Now the flowers, fruits and seeds. The last part is flowers, fruits and seeds. Flowers grows into fruits and the fruits have seeds. Now the new plants grows from the seeds. Now we can see the activity part of this video. Can you all able to see this plant? You can take a live plant, that is a small plant. You can take a small plant with the root and label the parts of the small plant in a paper. Okay. And also you can do the activity project which is watch the roots grow. So to watch the roots grow, you need to have a transparent jar, a glass jar and an onion and water. That is enough. Fill the jar with the water, a little amount of water, and fix the onion in the top of the jar, upside down. So you can see the roots grown on the jar. I hope you all do the activity project and find the roots grow lively. Thank you all for listening. Ma'am will meet in the next session.